Oh, it smells just like Bakewell tart, but does it taste like it? It's like I'm literally eating a Bakewell tart. It's crazy. Because I feel some of these things that say they taste like cake, they don't really taste like cake. They just have the flavouring. But this is like I'm actually eating a slice of Bakewell tart. So good. Banoffee pie. It's a bit awkward opening these. I will say that. And then you have the plastic that you have to tear. Oh, that smells really kind of creamy. Banoffee pie, it tasted just like banana to me. Barely could taste the toffee in it. So it was nice, but it just tastes like banana popcorn. Ooh. I think the tiramisu one, that's my least favourite so far. It's, you know, obviously tiramisu is coffee based, but I can't really taste the coffee. It's just it's kind of blandish, dare I say. So yeah, not a fan of that one. I can taste the apple, and I can taste some of the butteriness that you would get in, you know, in the crumble of apple crumble. Can't taste the custard, and even the apple flavour is not massively pronounced. So it's nice, but it's not mind blowing. Oh, I can taste a little bit of the strawberries, not overwhelming, but the cheesecakey element, I could smell it. That's what that smell was, like a bit cheesy. Can't really taste the cheesy element, but I can taste the strawberry. So my favourite was the Bakewell tart. Out of all of them, I think that they gave the best flavour of actually tasting like a cake. But let me know in the comments if you've ever tried these, and out of these, which one do you think would be your favourite flavour? Until next time, cake lovers.